Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to model a pipe fitting in the FreeCAD. First, we will create a file points and then go to the Draft Workbench to create a 3D guide curve. Next, we will create a profile for the pipe and sweep through the path. Then add flanges on the pipe and create holes on the flanges. Next, add chamfer on the body and then create the balls on the pipe. Okay, let's get started. Create a new part and create a sketch on the XZ plane. And draw 4 points. Right-click to exist and select these 2 points. Press the H key, constraint horizontal, and these 2 points constraint vertical. Then press the D key to dimension. Set the height of this point to 65.5 millimeters. And if you are from the last video, you can modify the unit system here. Then set the distance between these 2 points to 23. And the distance between these 2 points to 26.5 millimeters. Now let's create a sketch on the XY plane. First, to make this point to be reference, and draw a line on it. Then set the angle to 30 degrees, and set a length here to make the sketch full constraint. Close the sketch. And next, create a data plane. Select this line. And click on the second reference. Select this point. Now click OK, and here you can hide the data plane and create a sketch on it. And create a point here. In order to add dimensions, we need to create a reference line. Click here to change the mode and draw a line. And here we need to make this point to be reference firstly, and then draw the line between these 2 points. Now we can set this angle to 60 degrees. And the length to 38. Here we have 5 points for the path. Hide the sketch and go to Draft Workbench. First, we need to make sure the snap endpoints checked and create a polyline on these 5 points. Just click Finish to exist. Now select the wire and go to fillet radius, set it to 11.5. Okay, we can go back to the part design workbench and create a sketch on the XY plane. First, make the solid line back and draw 2 circles. And make the larger diameter to 20. And the another to be 15. Let me do it again. And this one to 15. Close the sketch and go to sweep. Here we have the profile, and I need to select the path. Click on it and select the wall. Here check OK. Next, we will add flanges on both sides. Create a sketch on the XY plane. And let's go to the model, make this body to be transparent. Now draw 2 circles. Let's make this edge to be reference. If we cannot select the edge, go to the bottom view, then we can select these 2 circles and constraint equal. And set the diameter to 52. Close the sketch and go to pad. Modify the length to File and keep other options. Click OK. Then do the same on this face. Create a sketch and make this circle be reference. Then draw 2 circles. Now select these 2 circles, constraint equal, and set the diameter to 52. Now close the sketch and pad again. Set the length to File, and here check reversed. Okay, next we will add holes on the flanges. Let's continue. Create a sketch on the XY plane and draw a circle on the Y-axis. Now set the diameter of this circle to 4 millimeters and the distance to half of 45. Close the sketch and pocket. Set the length to File. And here to check reversed. Okay. Next, select the pocket and go to circular pattern. Modify the quantities to 4 and keep other options. Click OK. Then we will do the same on this face. Create a sketch on it. Now let's make a reference circle here. And then we have a center. Draw a circle and set the diameter to 4. And the distance between these 2 centers to half of 45. And select these 2 centers and the constraint vertical. Close the sketch and go to pocket. Keep the options and close it. Select the pocket and circular pattern. For the axis, let's select a reference and modify the quantity to 4. Okay. Now let's hide the sketches and this one, and make the body to be solid again. Next, we will add a chamfer on the body. Go to chamfer. Select this edge and this one too. Modify the type to distance and angle. Set the length to File and the angle to 30. Let's check before finish it. You see the angle is just reversed to each other, so we cannot do it together. Just remove one and preview it. And here the type, we can flip the direction. Okay. Now we can add a chamfer on another edge. And the options is the same as before. This is what we want. Click OK. Next, we will add chamfer inside. Select these two edges. And modify the type to distance and angle. Set the size to 10 and the angle to 32. And flip the direction. They are good. Click OK. And at last, we will add both on the pipe. At first, let's create a data plane and go to Model to select the XY plane. And make it offset 78 in the Z direction. Now create a sketch on this data plane. And draw a circle. Make the center of this circle on the x-axis. And set the diameter to 8. And the distance to origin to 11.5 millimeters. Close the sketch and go to Pad. And check reversed. Here we can make the extruding to a face. And select the face, click OK. Then hide the data plane and create a sketch on it. First, make the edge of this circle as a reference. Then draw a circle on the center. Set the diameter to 5. Actually, this is a thread hole, so let's go to hole, and for the profile, select the standard as you need and choose M file. For the depths, we need to check. Go to Model and make the body to be transparent. Now we can see 25 is too much. Let's try 5. Not enough. I guess 8 is good. Click OK. And for the last, we will add a fillet. Select the edge and set the radius to 2. OK. That's all. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.